Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Viewers, I hope you all are fine and doing good. Viewers, as you can see in this video, I bring some amazing collection of Halloween decoration ideas. Viewers, in this video, I will gonna show you more creative, more easy Halloween decoration ideas, home decoration ideas for Halloween. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my video till end. Viewers, if you are a new viewer on my channel and watching my video very first time, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, if you have any demand or any query, then tell us on comment section. We will try our best to make videos on the basis of your demands, and we will try to fulfill your demands. Viewers, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Viewers, I really hope you will enjoy my video. Viewers, thank you so much for watching my full video. Thanks.